Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Find My iPhone grayed out problem. If you're using any iPhone and your Find My iPhone option has been grayed out, so let's see how can you fix. You just have to open settings and here tap on your Apple ID and you can see there's a Find My option, but it has been grayed out. It's not opening. So let's see some possible solutions. So the very first, you just have to go for privacy and security and you have to try to enable your location services. So here you just have to enable it, and after that if you find this option, so you have to enable this, and after that you should be fixed. Your find my option will not be grayed out, or if you can see that this all option has also been grayed out, this location services. So let's see how can you fix. You have to go back and go for screen time settings, then go for content and privacy restrictions. So ensure you can directly disable all the restrictions from here, or you can manually go to location services, then go for allow changes, and then you can enable location services from here or from this side. So go for privacy and security again and go for location services, and you can now turn it on. Once you have turned on, you just have to go back and then again go to your Apple ID. And here you can see there's a find my option has not been grayed out yet. You just have to simply tap on it, and now you can easily disable it if you want. But if you find this option also has been grayed out, so you just have to try to turn off the stolen device protection. So from here go back and then go for face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode here and then scroll down and you'll find the option of stolen device protection. You just have to disable that, and once you have disabled you have to go back from here and then again go to your find my iPhone. So now you can easily turn it off, or if you don't find the option again, so you have to go for the same option, stolen device protection, and you have to try to turn it off completely. So once you have done this process, you will be able to disable your find my iPhone option on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.